many sellers ask me, how come they don't have sales on TikTok Shop? So I tell you, TikTok Shop is totally different from Lazada and Shopee, okay? So if you want sales like this or like this, okay, just like my clients and students, right? Okay, so listen up, okay? This is the 5 places where you can get sales from TikTok. So those who have a pen and paper, you can write it down or you can save this video first, okay? So number 1 place that you can have sales or sales come in is through videos, okay? So you need to make interesting videos, demo videos that people don't skip but instead watch and click the yellow bag to buy your products, okay? And number 2 is through live stream. I know that a lot of people don't have staff, don't have the time, don't have the courage or to show their face to do live, okay? Never mind. Either you train up your staff to do it or you hire people to do it, or if you don't want to do live, no problem, okay? Then you need to really push up your videos, or you can push up on your affiliate site, which brings me to point number 3, okay? You need to set a good commission, okay, to attract affiliates, okay? Some people, they put 5%, all this is not enough. I would suggest you to in order to attract affiliates, to have at least 10, okay, to 15% commission to attract affiliates to want to sell your products, and you need to be constantly in contact with them, okay, to share them latest things that they also can sell. Okay, so these are the 3. Okay, what about number 4? Number 4 is through showcase. Because based on TikTok data, right, some sales do come in from showcase, but not much, okay, but there is still sales. Showcase means that, okay, let's say that people like your content, they already followed you, they come into your profile, and there is a TikTok shop button there that you can click on, okay, and they go in and they shop, buy from there. So that's from showcase, okay? And the 5th one is from TikTok shopping center. Is exactly something like a Lazada or Shopee. When you log in, okay, it is like a sale place. There's flash sales, there's promotions, there's top sales, okay? Or I've noticed that people who I follow, when I go into the TikTok shopping center, I can see their products there. So how to succeed there is to make sure all your keywords, okay, and your profile even that people will be attracted to, or a high search keywords, so that people can find your products. So if you need more help, more tips, okay, don't hesitate to contact Kong that I run. Okay, sometimes I run group trainings, and I also handle TikTok accounts for people. So if you need help, okay, my expertise, don't hesitate to contact me.